Aloha everyone! By myself today. Tomoko's not feeling well, but I'm happy to come on live and say hello to everyone. So I'm over here by this beautiful bush of Tiare gardenia. I got one in my hair. It's a beautiful flower and the smell is oh so good. I just wanted to check in with everyone. Today I'm in Kona actually. This is Kona, nice and sunny. It's raining in Hilo actually. But Hilo is getting exciting, getting ready for Merry Monarch and for all the visitors. They're starting to come in. Hilo's getting a little bit busy. We're definitely getting ready for our craft fair. If you're going to be in Hilo during Merry Monarch Week, please stop by and visit our booth at the SCP Hotel Craft Fair. We are having a block party, closing off a block, a whole street in Hilo, and gonna have all the tents up and amazing musicians like Kimie and Lehua Kalima and Kamaka Kino and Kalani Pea again. We are gonna have a beautiful rockin' time. So if you're in Hilo during Merry Monarch Week, please stop by and visit me at the SCP Hotel. We'll have lots of more information coming about that. And yes, I'm in Kona, and I'm playing in the bushes. My favorite place. Buy some beautiful flowers. So sweet, so sweet. How's everyone doing? Pehea oi. I'm sorry Tomoko is not here today. She's not feeling well, but we'll be back on it next Monday for our Merry Monarch Week, and I will be going live numerous times next week, next week, to show you what's happening at the Merry Monarch Festival in Hilo. You know, this week has been a good week for me. I'm here for my son's basketball team, so doing a lot of sports things this weekend, but really working hard to bring up our inventory for the Merry Monarch Craft Fair and to get ready to really meet and greet a lot of new people at our booth at the SCP Hotel. So I'm really excited about that. Like I said, if you're in Hilo, please come by and talk to me. I would love to see you. Looking forward to our trip in Japan. I had lots of things to tell you about, but since it's only English, I'll keep it short. And just looking forward to so many trips coming up. New York City, Tokyo, of course, Oahu. I'll be on Oahu in April as well. But best of all, Merry Monarch Week coming up in Hilo. You know, what I love about Merry Monarch is that it just really fills your soul with creativity, with, of course, dance and art and the crafts and the creations. Ipu heke, pahu drum, seeing all of those handmade instruments and hearing them being played and having the hula and the Hawaiian culture being honored is just makes you feel so good inside. It's not like just eating chocolate cake, which only makes you feel good for a little bit. Hey! But it just fills your soul. So if you're feeling down or lonely or just needing a little lift up, I recommend doing some sort of art. It might be dance. It might be just putting on some music and dancing around your apartment. It might be taking out some crayons and some paper and doing some scribbling. But any sort of creative expression feeds your soul. Your soul speaks through your artwork, through your dance. And when your soul gets to speak, your soul feels happy. So I hope you all have had a really great week, and hopefully, and praying for Tomoko to feel better soon, especially with Mary Monarch coming up. We don't want to miss one single minute because blink and it's over. It's so fast. It goes by so fast. And then we'll have to wait one more year for one more time. Thank goodness it keeps coming, and it's coming. Nothing can stop it now. Looking forward to Wednesday, which is April 3rd, I believe, in Hilo, and we'll be standing in line to go to the Ho'ike, and we'll be definitely be going live. We'll be going live next Friday for sure. So tune in again. I look forward to talking to you. Take care, everybody. Aloha. And a hui ho.